Good morning, one and all. In the last class, we have discussed about aldol condensation. One example. That example taken is ethanol. Let I will continue. The next one is cross aldol condensation. Cross aldol condensation. How this cross aldol condensation is carried out? Take a mixture of ethanol and propanol as example. That mixture is giving 4 different products. Those 4 different products that I will represent each one by one. First one molecule I will take as ethanol. Next is said to be propanol. Same condition, that is dilute NaOH, and the product is said to be aldol product. Now there is elimination of water molecule on heating. The product is said to be, first one is nothing but but2En1Al. but2En1Al. Like that, very simple. Next one I will take similar molecule as propanol, CS3CH2 CHO, CS3CH2 CHO. Next is CS3CH2 CHO, CS3CH2 CH3. Representation is somewhat different because of elimination of that water molecule. So aldol condensation product is CS3CH2 CHOH and CHCS3CHO. On warming it is giving the product, that second product is said to be 2-methyl pent 2En1Al. 2-methyl pent 2En1Al. When we use same molecules of propanol, product is 2-methyl pent 2En1Al. If you take different one, that is CS3CH2CHO, this is said to be propanol. Next is said to be ethanol, that is CS3CHO. These two different are undergoing condensation, forming different product, that is CS3CH2CHOH CHCHO. On heating, elimination of water, product is CS3CH2CH double bond CHCHO. Third product is pent2En1Al. pent2En1Al. That means first you have to take propanol, pent2En1Al. Next step nalli last reaction, fourth reaction. First I have to take ethanol, then I have to take propanol. The product is said to be these 2-methyl but2En1Al. That means if you use these two mixture, 4 different products are formed. So when you use different aldehydes, they are having alpha hydrogen, definitely it is giving 4 different mixtures. Okay. And also one more type of condensation is there. That condensation is aldehyde which is not having an alpha hydrogen and ketone is having an alpha hydrogen, that undergoes cross aldol condensation. That type of condensation is said to be cross Cannizzaro condensation. Cross Cannizzaro aldol condensation. How it will take place? I will take an example. Benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde, its formula is benzene ring containing CHO. Benzene ring containing CHO. Okay, it is said to be the aldehyde not having alpha hydrogen. Why it is not having alpha hydrogen? Because this carbon is not containing any of the hydrogen, therefore alpha carbon is not containing alpha hydrogen, hence it is said to be aldehyde containing no alpha hydrogen atom. And I will take the ketone, that is CH3. Representation is in this way, benzene ring. This type of ketone I will call as acetophenone. Acetophenone. This is benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. This is containing alpha hydrogen. Functional group next carbon, it is containing hydrogen called as alpha hydrogen. It is not containing alpha hydrogen. Therefore, these two undergo condensation in presence of dilute alkali. What is the possible product? Definitely you know the same procedure as the aldol condensation. There is formation of H and CHO in the same molecule. Instead of CHO, ketone is used, hence it is CO. Therefore, this is called as, instead of aldol, I will take is ketone. Okay. On warm or just by heating, there is elimination of water takes place, and the final product formed is CH, double bond CH, the bonded electrons. ಇದನ್ನ loss ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ proton loss ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ electrons ಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ bond ಆಗ್ತಾವು. CH double bond CH, and next is C double bond O, and remaining is benzene ring. This type of product is called as cross Cannizzaro aldol condensation. The name of this product is said to be benzol acetophenone, benzol acetophenone, or IUPAC name only 1, 2, 3 are said to be the chain, and these are said to be phenyl group. Hence it is on carbon 1 phenyl, 1,3 diphenyl, 1,3 diphenyl, prop 2 ONE, prop 2En 1ONE. This is said to be IUPAC name. Okay. In this reaction, we used one name, that is Cannizzaro. We don't know about that Cannizzaro. Therefore, what is that Cannizzaro reaction? Let I will represent in detail. That is also very important name reaction. Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction. How this reaction is carried out? Aldehydes with no alpha hydrogen atom, undergo self oxidation and reduction in presence or by heating with concentrated alkali. What is the difference between aldol and Cannizzaro? There is aldehydes or ketones containing alpha hydrogen, and alkali used is dilute. In this case, aldehydes, if ketones you take, there must be an alpha hydrogen. Therefore, there is no reaction with ketones. For Cannizzaro, only aldehydes they react. Aldehydes, they must be having no alpha hydrogen atom. They undergo self oxidation and reduction, and they react with concentrated alkali. What is the possible product formed? And this type of reaction is known as Cannizzaro reaction. But I will take one example and another example. You do solve in your home. The first example I will take is HCHO. Its name is formaldehyde. Okay. Formaldehyde is said to be aldehyde which is not containing alpha hydrogen. Why? There is no another carbon, hence no alpha carbon, no alpha hydrogen. And one more molecule I will take, C double bond, 2 molecules of aldehydes. They undergo self oxidation and reduction in presence of concentrated alkali. I will use alkali. There are two types. One is said to be either concentrated KOH or concentrated NaOH. Okay. Now, if this reduces, formaldehyde reduces to formic acid. Formic acid, that means K is there. Formate and formaldehyde. Hence it is HCOOK, potassium formate. Potassium formate. In a aldehyde oxidize ಆಗಿತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ oxidize ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, it oxidizes this formaldehyde to, that is said to be alcohol. That alcohol formed is nothing but CH3OH. Hence the products formed are said to be salts of carboxylic acid and alcohol. That reaction is called as Cannizzaro reaction. We practice one reaction in home, that taking an example, benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. Okay. So next one reaction is there. That reaction is said to be electrophilic substitution. Definitely aromatic aldehydes or ketones, they undergo electrophilic substitution, as we know in first year already, but even though I will represent that reaction later.